try our pancit guys. If not, my pancit is done. Willing to cook cheeseburger ko. Oh, yummy. Now we're going to see. Our pancit is done. Cooking po din guys. I'm cooking now cheeseburger pie. Our pancit is done. And now working on cheeseburger pie. Our pie guys is done. And the pancit. Working now the ano guys. So, I'm done cooking guys. Cheeseburger pie. Fried rice. And the pancit. So, ito lang. Yung mga blanca ko guys kay niluto ko kahapon. Hi guys, it is breakfast guys. Ito dito. With pancit for breakfast. Still waiting mayonnaise. Still not egg. With pancit and pandesal. Did not sound good. For breakfast. This is a pandesal that you put over here. The most place of pandesal. I'm not really hungry though. Actually, we drink coffee when I wake up. If you drink coffee, guys, I'm not hungry. I think of it now. Some of the bread I did to my niece. Let's eat the lang, hindi siya maalat. Okay. Sometimes I'm not buying this in Walmart because it's bad for police not now. Galing lang to sa pamangkin ko dala mo. It's not bad. Usually it's not bad. What that? Sabi yan na. Domingo is very nice. I'm surprised. Domingo in Walmart, you can buy it, guys. Sometimes it's bad, but this one is so good. So nice. Need to cut this one. Very nice though. Pinatuloy ko ng pag-video. It's so good though. I think from the Philippines. Look at that too. Very nice. Dito pala.
Yeah, when they do that, it seems like it's pretty accurate when it gets down to the minutes. Then it just comes down to like, are you a mile in or a mile away? Or...
Hi, Andrea. Hi to the guy. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
How are you guys?
Good. We're just singing happy birthday.
Yeah. Today is Andrea's birthday.
Yeah, we do yesterday.
Ditron, how old are you?
4.
Wow, 4 years old.
And we have some gifts.
Yeah.
And we did yesterday. And this is Charles. Teacher over here.
Oh wow, I have a little vlogger now. Hi, my niece
Hi,
guy.
everyone. Hi.
So they have the most desirable market in the world. We have more disposable income than any other.
Happy birthday.
We should be getting paid.
Chicken rice soup man na? Ana, pud mo? Itor ko kayo sa ano guys, Airbnb. Anong dito? Pangalan?
Yeah, Airbnb.
Airbnb sa Police Island? Yan guys. Look at this guy. The sinks, very big guy oh. Complete sa mga utensil na gagamitin kapag nag-cooking ka. Mayroong oven. Yan. And the refrigerator is very big. Oh wow. That's a stick over here. And 2 bedroom, right? Every bedroom have bathroom?
Merong bathroom.
Pwede pumasok doon? Ayan guys, this is the bedroom. Bedroom number 1. This is the bathroom guys. Very nice. Ah, this one the bed. This is the bed. Over here. And the double deck right there.
Smile, Andrea. 1, 2, 3.
Naloka na, ikot ako ng ikot, hindi pala naka-on yung video ko. Ayan, ito yung ang second bedroom.
1, 2.
How much dito ang per night? $200 per night, guys. Oh.
300 kapin. Nila madam.
Huh?
Yeah.
200 times 55, so 11,000, guys. Pero good for 6 person, right?
Do it like this.
And balcony po ni dire lahat. Ay, Len?
Pwede po mas.
Going to the balcony. Ano saan ni? Di man, baka hindi ito na
Pikas na siguro. O doon sa pikas.
sa kabila yata ang open. Balcony, guys. Going to the balcony. Come over here, guys. Ah, this is the yard, ano, balcony. Nice, guys. Balcony right here.
Picture ka daw.
And look at that. Ah, may screen pala siya. Over there.
Doon sa maganda sa labas siguro.
Dito kami, guys.
Dito ka. Ako ang picture yan.
Hi, guys. And my miss, guys.
Nakita na after 1 year.
After 1 year ba?
Yeah.
Oo na, after 1 year, guys. Eh, oo. Oo nga pala, 1 year. Ganda dito.
Yeah,
Yan lang nga, medyo mahal, guys. Ano siya? Ano siya, guys? 200 per night, so 11,000 per night. Pero good for, 6 person, right? Hi, F? Hi, guys! 8 person? Hi, guys. Oh, wow!
It's a swimming float. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open it up.
Ka-OA talaga. Yeah.
It has a water blaster too.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Right.
Open your
One more right there.
Oh, wow!
Look at that. They don't like the down, so.
Say thank you. Come here. Open yours, Mona. Oh, you're gonna have to open that.
Can we open it?
That's mine.
She can.
Yup.
Say, I want to help you out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Open.
Open it too. See what-
I should like to open again.
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh, wow!
Dump it out.
dump it out. Oh, look at there.
Let me see.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, here.
Wow!
Ooh, that's a big one. That's a mom. You gonna cause a fire?
Wow.
Full of fire. Wow! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Andrea. Happy birthday to you. Oh! Daddy, help. Yay!
That's a cool piano. You got a potatoes ready?
Mga blanco.
How long to get in there?
This one,
15 minutes.
strawberry.
15 minutes.
Yeah, it's still 15 minutes in there.
But how long? I thought you put it out
Kanlo.
Yeah, I put it on 375
for 1 hour.
for an hour, but still hard. She said 400.
Yeah, it's too hard. It can't be hard. It's gotta be soft.
Yeah.
Still cooking over here. The potato.
Potato.
Potato, big potato. Pansit. Cheese burger pa eh. Bread to ah. Cornbread.
Cornbread dressing.
Cornbread dressing. This one kulay. Ito, favorite ko to yun eh.
Yeah, collard green.
Kulay green. Chicken soup. Rice is life.
Mm-hmm. There's some more rice in there.
You got your plate?
Huh?
You got your plate?
Yeah.
Ang ganda dito, Lon.
Aha, maganda nga.
Iharap natin doon.
Ganda dito ba? So, nakuhan siya na. Kayo dito nag-decorate. Sila, nalimot mo. Ikaw, sige lang.
Layo ng parking lot namin, guys. Ikapoy na ko, guys. Ha? Ikapoy na. Kung binaklay yan. Sige, baklay pa.
Sa bahay, may ano na. Kakain na naman. Wala na tayong energy.
Nga.
Ano sa kabilang parking lot?
Baslam siya.
Wala na talaga.
Seafood man na diha.
Oh, gaya iha. Gaya iha na yung mga bag.
Kaya gipanggutom na.